students for this session. Today in this session, let's learn 9th standard prose, A Question of Space, written by Neera Kashyap. She was a newspaper journalist and she has written many short stories for children and adults. A Question of Space also a thought-provoking short story. This lesson demonstrates how self-observation leads to self-improvement and change in attitude. Okay. And this lesson deals with the immense pleasure that today's generation of students are undergoing. And this is also a psychology based lesson. This will help us to control our emotions. Now let me tell you the short summary of this lesson. There's a boy called Vikram. Is the son of successful doctor couple. That means Vikram's parents were doctors. So they want their son Vikrant also to become doctor. Vikrant was studying only 11th standard. In that time itself, they continuously pressurizing him to study hard in order to get admission in prestigious medical college. Okay, so they were continuously pressurizing him to study. Because of that, Vikrant became frustrated. Once he meets a man called Anuj. Vikrant meets a man called Anuj who was a photographer, and he enjoys his life. Looking at that, Vikrant liked Anuj and they both became friends. Once Vikrant asked Anuj that, did your parents put pressure on you to become a photojournalist? But Anuj told that, no, it's my own willingness and I have chosen this area and now I am a photographer. So Anuj was telling Vikrant that it seems for me the children of doctors may have more pressure. Then how do you react towards the pressure? Anuj asked Vikrant that, how do you react towards the pressure? Vikrant told, when my parents tell something, I will get angry, I will shout at them and go away from that place. But Anuj told him that first you need to observe what is happening when you are angry. From that time onwards, Vikrant started to observe what is happening within him, and he told Anuj that the expressions what he is undergoing when their parents tell something. After we can come to know what are the expressions he was telling. Okay, in lesson when we go into the lesson we will come to know what are the things Vikrant was sharing with Anuj. Okay, at last Anuj told Vikrant that whenever your parents could tell something, you just control yourself, calm down yourself and just reply them in calmness. Okay, don't shout, just reply them in a normal way, in a calm way. And Vikrant also tried and it gave a good conclusion. That means Vikrant's parents accepted what Vikrant said. At last, Vikrant himself felt that it's good for him to become a doctor, and with his own interest, he started to study. Okay then. Now let us move on to the lesson and learn line. A Question of Space. Despite maintaining a consistent rhythm, Vikrant found himself completely out of breath at the end of the 3.2 kilometer jog. His gut pounded with the effort and with thoughts of the pressure his parents were mounting on him to gear up for the medical entrance tests. Still a year and a half away, both successful doctors themselves, his parents were anxious that Vikrant ready himself to cope with the intensely competitive environment that had to be scaled for getting admission to a prestigious medical college. Yes, as I said in the introduction or in the beginning, Vikrant's parents were doctors and they want Vikrant also to become doctor, and they were anxious whether Vikrant can succeed in his studies. Okay. For that, they were going on giving pressure on him to study hard in order to get admission in medical college. Class 11 had started with his mother's constant harping on the importance of the year for getting a good grip on science and maths. For viewing this as a foundation year for class 12. For using this as a practice year for launching into the 12th board and medical entrance exams, his father quizzed him constantly on maths, physics, biology till his head spun. The conflicts had acquired a distinct edge ever since he had met Anuj, who had spun into his life like a new universe right here on this jogging track. Yes, Vikrant was studying only 11th standard. That time itself, his parents giving pressure on him to study hard because they thought that 11th standard is a foundation for 12th board exam and for the medical entrance exam. So they were giving pressure on him to study hard, and his father also didn't leave him. Always he used to ask many questions on maths, physics and biology. Meanwhile, Vikrant meets a man called Anuj when he was going for jogging. When Vikrant going for jogging, he meets a man called Anuj, and he feels that that man is somewhat different from him. Anuj was not just a person with dynamic ideas on photography, on the connectedness between human beings and all other living species, on self-improvement as a part of human evaluation and the cosmos. He had turned into a friend very quickly, a much older friend. Yes, Vikrant meets Anuj while he was going for jogging, and he feels that Anuj is not alone as idea in photography field, because Anuj is a photographer. He doesn't have much idea in photography field alone. That means he has more idea in photography field. Not only that, he also having aware of self improvement and self observation, okay, and self evaluation also. Anuj is a photographer. He is well versed in photography field. Not only in that, but also he has awareness about self improvement, self observation and self evaluation. While reading a book borrowed from Anuj and experimenting with Anuj's old Kodak camera, Vikrant knew that his parents had watched his new interest with growing dismay. His class grades had dropped. He had started skipping group tuitions, even the extra school classes designed for the weekends, and only child as tension grew between Vikrant and his parents, so did his identity with Anuj. Yes, after meeting Anuj, Vikrant started to behave in a different manner. He also had interest towards other things, not only in studies. Before meeting Anuj, he was only giving much importance for studies, but now his interest his interest went to other things also. So his parents were tensed and they were having some misunderstanding between Vikrant. Panting, Vikrant flopped onto a concrete bench just beyond which Anuj was exercising on the metal swing bars crowded into the earth. Okay, here Vikrant and Anuj's conversation is going to start. Okay, they were in park where Anuj was doing some exercises. Nothing like a good workout under the blue sky. Much better than an air-conditioned gym, said Anuj, with satisfaction, leaping off the boards to drop onto the bald grass. Hey, what's up? You look grim. Okay. And while Anuj was doing his exercises, he was also telling that it's better than doing exercise in gym, doing in the park, in the open area. And he also sees Vikrant, who was sad. Vikrant shrugged and there was silence. Then he asked, "Did your parents put pressure on you to become a photojournalist?" Now Vikrant asked to Anuj that whether your parents put pressure on you to become photojournalist. Oh no, laughed Anuj. I started on my own with journalism and then took up photography much later to make the stories alive visually. Then, after a pause, he said, "Is the pressure at home bad?" Okay. Now, Anuj is replying to Vikrant that it's my own interest. I had taken journalism. After some time, I also started to take photography. It's my own interest that I have become a photojournalist. My parents didn't didn't give any pressure on me. And he was also asking to Vikrant, is the pressure at home bad? Do you have any pressure from your home? Vikrant tried to shrug but nodded instead. It seems to me that the pressure is worse for children of doctors, perhaps because medicine is considered the noblest of profession and gives prestige. But tell me, how do you react to pressure? When Anuj asked to Vikrant that is the pressure at home bad, Vikrant just nodded his head and Anuj continued to talk that doctor's son, they may have more pressure on him because they want to prove the name of their parents. Okay, so the parents will be giving more pressure on their children to become doctor. Is it so? But tell me, how do you react to pressure? I am sure that you may also have some pressure on you. How do you react towards that pressure? Oh, I explain, I argue, I snap. Sometimes I even walk out. It is worse when I lose control. Vikrant is telling that when I have pressure on me, I just explain and argue with my parents, and sometimes I just walk out. Yeah, but have you noticed how your body reacts? My body? No, not really. And Anuj asked Vikrant, whether do you observe when you were angry how your body reacts? He is telling no. If you want to get control over a situation, you could start by first observing your body's reaction, your posture, body temperature, muscle contraction, breathing, the taste in your mouth. Everything, he is telling, Anuj is telling that your body reaction, everything you have to observe. Then